Time to dump the black water tank on the old Class A. My strut quit working, so I used a piece of PVC to hold the door open. First thing, make sure the gray water valve is closed. Then I gradually open the black water valve. Once it gets rolling, then I open it all the way. I keep an eye on the water to see how much paper and solids are coming out. It looks like it's pretty much emptied, so I head back inside. Hey, Jumper. I guess I should have cleaned the place a little bit before I did a video. My first step is to get my little corn cob thing that you stab the ends of the corn cob with, and I use it to keep open the valve on the toilet so it continues flushing. Okay, the toilet's continuously flushing now. There's not really enough water, so I use the shower head to fill it up a little faster. I wash the shower head before I shower with it. It is a little disgusting having it in the toilet. Now we have a nice strong flow going into the toilet. So I opened the sink to fill the gray water tank at the same time. In the meantime, back outside, black water valve is open, and there's not a lot of flow. I should have realized something might be wrong at this point, but I closed the valve to let the water build up, and then after a few minutes I opened the valve again and let that buildup of water flush the black water tank out. Make sure the gray water valve's closed first. And then I opened it and it wasn't that much water coming out. It usually flushes pretty quickly. And this is just barely coming out, so anyway, I went ahead and closed the valve back. And then I make sure that the gray water tank is open. So let the water that's been building up in the gray water tank flush the sewer line out. And then it's time to close the door and go back inside. Please excuse the skipping here. I'm not sure what makes my camera do that. Even if I'm gone for a little while, Jumper's always so glad to see me.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My thing came out. Well, that was close to a flood.
A couple of more minutes and that bathroom would have been flooded. I let the fresh water run for a bit to clean the sewer out. We'll call that a job well done. It's okay, Jumper, you take a rest. I know I scared you a bit there. Jumper and I love it when you watch our videos. We'd like it even more if you'd like and subscribe or give us a comment.